What's something people don't know about writing names in Arabic? Small marks change big sounds. Let's write Shan Ahmed. First, quick reveal. Shan Ahmed. Now the breakdown, step by step. Sheen for the sh sound. Alif gives the long A vowel. Noon for the N sound. Put together, Shushan. Next, Ahmed. Ahmed. Commonly written Ahmed. Alif with Hamza starting vowel A. Ha, a deep throat H, not soft English H. Meme for the M sound. Dal for the D sound. So plus ha plus D, Ahmed. Arabic reads right to left. Start names from the right. Letters connect differently. Some letters join to the next, others don't. Shapes change depending on letter position. For a single continuous write, Shan Ahmed. Keep the space between the words just like in English. Want a calligraphy touch? Thick downstrokes and elongated aleph make it elegant. Try tracing it slowly, Shan. Then trace Ahad. Save a screenshot. Or copy this line and practice 5 times. You'll recognize it instantly. That's it. Shan Ahmed, Shan Ahmed. Want a stylized version or handwriting tips? Say the word and I'll show you more.